Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a useful little trick on TradingView, how to lock the price-to-bar ratio on your charts. If you've ever found yourself frustrated that zooming in or out on your chart keeps changing the proportions between the price scale and the candlesticks, this is the solution you've been looking for. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to keep your charts consistent, which can really help with your analysis and make your setup more visually reliable. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to TradingView. You can do this by opening up your web browser and navigating to TradingView.com just like you normally would. Make sure you're logged into your account, as locking chart settings will require you to be signed in. Once you're in, you'll see that classic TradingView dashboard we all know and love, with your main chart area front and center. Now look towards the top of the page. You'll see the main navigation area. There's a row of tabs labeled Products, Chart, maybe Markets or Screeners, depending on your setup. Go ahead and click on Products. This section basically lets you access all the different tools and modules TradingView offers. What we want here is the grid view, which essentially means the chart workspace where you organize your charts and layouts. Once you're in your chart grid view, here comes the key part. Take your mouse and move it over towards the price scale. That's the vertical bar running up and down along the right or sometimes left side of your chart. This price scale is fundamental for reading your chart since it shows the actual price levels for each candle or bar. Hover your cursor exactly over the price scale, not on the chart itself, not on the time axis, but right where they display the price ticks. Now right-click on the price scale. This brings up a context menu filled with different options for customizing your chart's appearance and behavior. This menu lets you tweak all sorts of settings, but don't let it overwhelm you. We're looking specifically for an option called Lock Price to Bar Ratio. This function does exactly what it sounds like. It locks the zoom so that when you scroll in or out, the relationship between the height of the price scale and the width of the bars on your chart stays constant. It's like putting a little invisible shield around your zoom settings. No accidental warping of your chart form, which is great if you want to keep your visual analysis consistent or if you're comparing setups side by side. Go ahead and click that Lock Price to Bar Ratio option. Once you do, TradingView will automatically apply the setting, and you'll notice from now on when you zoom in and out, the proportions on your chart won't shift dramatically. It's a small change that makes a huge difference, especially if you're working with multiple charts or need precise visual references when doing technical analysis. Don't worry if you don't see anything dramatic happen immediately. This is more about preventing future unwanted changes than changing your view at this exact moment. And really, that's all there is to it. Simple, but super effective, and honestly one of those little features that makes TradingView feel even more customizable and user-friendly. I highly recommend trying this out, especially if you work with detailed chart patterns or run multi-time frame analysis. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing for more practical TradingView tips and trading tutorials. If you have any questions about chart settings or features you'd like to see covered in a future video, just drop a comment down below. I'll be happy to help. See you in the next one, and happy charting.